What's up? What's going on? Daria Jackson Legonier here of the New York Power Couple, coming at you from St. Martin, beautiful St. Martin. And as you can see, I'm over here by the water. Just finished this amazing meal at one of this nice, healthy, it's nothing like some healthy food at a healthy restaurant that we've been visiting ever since we've been here. We've been out here with some friends for a few days now. So if you're jumping on, say hey, let me know where you're coming from. If you're catching the replay, just let me know. Sorry, there was a notification coming up and I couldn't see. But if you're catching the replay, just hit replay in the comments. Just hit replay in the comments. So what's up, guys? What's going on? Let me know that you are here and where you are coming from. I like to shout you out in my broadcast. So yeah, this whole subject about attraction marketing. Everybody feels that they're doing attraction marketing. It's like the buzzword that's been going on for quite some time. And a lot of people think they're doing it right, So one thing about attraction marketing, it's not about you. Hey, what's going on, Val? Good to see you. Good to see you. I hope all is well with you. So one thing about attraction marketing is not about you. It's about your client and what your client needs. And it's your job to find out what they need and what they want. And then what you're doing, you are a pointer. You're pointing them in the right direction. It's not about getting a sale. Hey, Tracy. It's not about giving them your link. What's going on, Renee? And we're all here. We want to make money. We're online because we want to get paid, right? But check this out. A commission doesn't come unless you have a conversation. So remember that. So a lot of times people say, okay, well, to do attraction marketing, all you have to do is just attract the lead, have great copy. But at some point, you do have to talk to someone. No one is going to give you their credit card without some type of correspondence, even if it is an email, But in most cases, it takes a conversation, either whether it's on Messenger or you take it offline and you're calling this person or they're calling you, they're reaching out to you either by email, but there is some kind of conversation. So don't just think that you put your link out there and then people are just going to join you just like that. I used to think that. I was like, wow, I thought all I had to do was just put my link out there and people would just click the link, see what I have to offer, and just buy. That doesn't always happen. I'm not going to say that it never happens, but it happens once there is a conversation. So most people, they will continue to follow you when they see that you're giving value day after day, week after week, whatever the case may be. And then they're going to have they're going to have a question at some point, and then they're going to reach out to you and say, hey, I would like to know more about what it is that your video was about, or I saw your post and I want more information. So at some point, there's always, my arm is getting tired. I forgot my selfie stick, but all right, now my connection is acting crazy. All right, so at some point there is a conversation. So one of the biggest mistakes that network marketing are making in the name of attraction marketing is it being about themselves. And remember that it's not about you, it is about your client. It's about you finding out what it is that they need, what they want. And guess what? If you don't have it, there's nothing wrong with pointing them in the right direction, even though it may not be a sale for you. It's all good because we have to realize, I'm going to just continue, I'm just going to walk a little bit. You have to realize that these relationships that we're cultivating here online, it takes time. So you may not get a sale. Thank you so much, Tracy, for sharing. I really appreciate that. You know, these relationships take time. It's not going to happen overnight. I know there's people that have been following me for a few years before I even knew that they were following me. They were like, hey, I've been following you for, you know, for months or for years. And now they're ready to buy. Now they're ready to join me. So everybody has their time when they are ready, because it's not about your time, it's about their time. So keep that in mind. Just continue to build those relationships. Continue to provide value for your audience, and then the sales will come. So when you come online, don't look at people as dollar signs. Don't look at them as like, oh yeah, I got to get them. Look at people as people. And all this stuff is just popping up on my phone right now. It's nothing like being at home in the States, that's for sure. It's a beautiful island, but it's nothing like being at home. Let me turn around so you can see the mountains behind me. And let me move out the way before I get hit by this truck. So yeah, so just remember that, you know, just think about any other sale, like any other sales, right? Think about when you're buying a house. It's a process, you know. It could take 90 days. It could take 60 days. It could take 6 months, you know. It could take a while, right? Think about when you're buying a car. It just doesn't happen just like that. You know, it's a process. So even with what you are doing, what we're doing online, it's a process. It doesn't happen overnight. You know, Eric Worre has said plenty of times, I've read in his book, that it could take anywhere from 7 to 12 exposures before someone decides to join you. You know, you may share your opportunity with someone, they may express interest and they don't buy right away, but then the next time they will. Or they may keep asking you, they may keep reaching out to you, and then one day they say, you know what, I'm ready now. This is the right one. I think this is the one that's for me. Tracy, I am in St. Martin. Yeah, I'm in St. Martin, and this is the French side. And I've been hanging out with my friends. They're French, and I've been hanging out with them for a few days now, and it's just been amazing. It is so cool when you go away and you can hang out with the locals. It's nothing like hanging out with the locals. You know, you don't do all that tourist stuff. So it's pretty cool. We got a nice party to go to tonight. It's a very special celebration. They celebrate over here what is called full moon. And it's going to be amazing. And it's going to be at my friend's place. And yeah, they're going to do it up. So it's going to be awesome. What's going on, Keisha? Yes, born blessed. That's right. I know that's right. Yeah, it is. It is really beautiful here. Yeah, it's really going to be a cool night. So I just really wanted to just, you know, drop this on you, because a lot of times people feel that they're doing traction marketing and they're not, you know, just because they have their links out there. You know, you want people coming to you because of what you're giving. You know, the more you give, the more you get. So just remember, when you're doing your posts, really think about what it is that you're posting. Don't just throw something up to say, hey, I got something out there today. You know, when you're posting in your stories, when you're doing your videos. Hey, Florence, what's up, girl? When you're doing your videos, when you're doing your stories, you know, whatever content that you are preparing, whether it's a blog or email, seriously think about what it is that your audience is looking for and give it to them. And you know what? They tell you. They tell you either by not responding, you know, or they tell you even when they do respond, because once you pay attention to your content and you really look at what it is that you're putting and the reactions that you're getting, so they're telling you what they like, and you just give them more of what they like. That's it. Wait, hold on, I gotta use my other arm. Woo, my arm is tired. I should have had my selfie stick, and I don't. So I'm getting ready to head back to the restaurant where my husband is. I just want to come out and say hey to you guys, because it's been a couple of days since I've been on. So if you got value, put value in the comments. Let me know that what I said to you made sense. I would appreciate that. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the hearts that you've been giving me thus far. And if you find that this is valuable content, share it. Share it with your team. Share it with your audience, so we can just get the word out there, so that people don't look at our industry as a negative, because network marketing, online marketing is amazing. It's an amazing industry. It allows for you to do so much. Because if you're working a 9 to 5, no, I'm going this roundabout. Let me move over here. You know, this ain't New York. I'm walking around here like I'm home, and cars coming from everywhere. But yeah, you know, this is an amazing industry that we're in, because it allows for us to do whatever we need to do for ourselves, for our family, and still make. Okay, so it looks like my connection is going. So guys, I'm gonna go now. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. And if you're looking for, if you know anyone that is looking for resources and they're not really sure what attraction marketing looks like, how to do it, I have a few resources depending on what it is that they need. So let's have a conversation. You know, reach out to me, let's chat. And if I can help you, I'll help you. All right? So have an amazing day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace. All right, now I got to end the video.